Greetings, road warriors! Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel, here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are bringing you a motorhome that represents the ultimate combination of heavy-duty towing power, all-weather capability, and luxury living. This is the 2022 Thor Omni SV34 4x4 Super C. If you want the premium amenities of a Class A coach, but prefer the safety, driving comfort, and rugged versatility of a heavy-duty truck chassis, a Super C is exactly what you need. This unit only has 12,000 original miles on the clock. At 35 feet long, it is incredibly easy to drive and navigate through tight fuel stations or winding mountain roads, yet it expands to offer a sprawling residential layout once you drop your stabilizers. Take a look at this aggressive profile. This coach is wrapped in Thor's premium Sahara Slate full-body paint package. The striking blend of metallic grays, charcoals, and earth tones gives the rig an incredibly sharp, modern look that stands out anywhere you park it. Because it features a high-end, automotive-grade paint process, it holds a deep shine that decals simply can't match. No peeling vinyl stickers here, just premium luxury built for the long haul. This SV34 floor plan features an enormous superslide on the driver's side that completely opens up the cabin. As we walk the passenger side, notice the power patio awning equipped with integrated LED lights, creating a massive shaded outdoor living space. You also have a protective slide topper over that superslide to keep leaves and water away from your seals. Throughout this view, notice the polished aluminum wheels and the rugged truck styling at the front. From the integrated side view cameras to the heavy-duty 10,000-pound trailer hitch on the back, every inch of this Omni indicates a high-end machine engineered for peak performance. We are going to finish up the exterior lines and then move straight down to open up the storage bays so we can check out the mechanical systems and the rare exterior features that make this coach a total winner. Let's move down to the basement, because the mechanical foundation of this Thor Omni is what truly sets it apart from the crowd. We are sitting on the heavy-duty Ford F550 Super C chassis. This is a true 4x4 system, meaning you have the traction and confidence to navigate muddy campsites, sandy lakeside spots, or slick mountain roads without ever getting stuck. Powering your journey is the legendary Ford 6.7-liter PowerStroke turbo diesel engine, pumping out 330 horsepower and a massive 825 foot-pounds of torque. This is paired with the Ford Torqshift 10-speed automatic transmission for seamless power delivery and incredible towing capability. Now, let's talk about the absolute best part of this exterior layout, your full exterior kitchen. Tucked right here into the side structure, you have a built-in mini-fridge, a dedicated sink, and extra storage for your grilling tools. Right adjacent to your outdoor galley is the exterior entertainment center featuring a 32-inch TV. This means you can cook up breakfast or watch the big game under the awning without ever having to step inside. When we look at the utility systems, this coach is heavily upgraded. It comes equipped with a large Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator that has less than 100 hours of use. Most 35-footers carry a smaller gas unit, but having a heavy-duty 8-kilowatt diesel generator means you have maximum efficiency and more than enough juice to run your dual-roof ACs and all appliances simultaneously while boondocking. They'll also find basement storage compartments wrapped around the entire exterior, 50-amp service with a detachable extension cord, a high-quality inverter charger, and handy battery disconnects. Campground setup is effortless thanks to the automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control. To keep you safe on the road, you have a full rear view and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor. Let's head inside and see how this rugged capability translates to luxury in the cabin. Step up into the Omni and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open residential-style interior. The SV34 floor plan is a masterpiece of space management, utilizing that massive superslide to create an incredible amount of floor space. You'll notice the premium flooring, the modern cabinetry, and the high-end fixtures immediately. Because it is built on the F550 truck platform, walking into the living area feels solid and incredibly secure. It is a bright, airy environment with high ceilings and beautiful finishes that really reflect that 12,000-mile care. It truly feels like a custom luxury apartment that just happens to be attached to a heavy-duty turbo diesel truck. It is a welcoming entrance that sets a wonderful tone for the rest of our virtual tour. The front living room is designed to maximize both comfort and sleeping capacity. The highlight of this lounge is the highly functional booth dinette that provides a great dining hub but easily converts into an additional bed. Right above the cockpit is a massive 59 by 80-inch cab-over bunk bed area. This space features its own 32-inch TV mounted on a swivel arm, making it the absolute favorite spot for the kids to hang out or watch a movie. Across from the dinette is a plush jackknife sleeper sofa that also converts into a bed. Because of this smart design, this 35-foot Super C can comfortably sleep up to 8 people. It is the perfect setup for a big family or traveling with a group of friends. The large windows surrounding the front lounge flood the entire space with natural light and give you a perfect view of your surroundings, while the high-quality cabinetry overhead provides plenty of storage to keep your living area neat and organized. It is a fantastic, versatile social space that makes entertaining a breeze. Directly across from the lounge is the full gourmet kitchen. You have a massive stainless steel residential refrigerator and freezer, a versatile induction and gas stovetop combo, and a microwave convection oven for all your baking needs. The residential sink and high-rise faucet are surrounded by beautiful countertops that offer plenty of space for meal prep. With deep drawers and ample cabinets, it's a highly functional galley for the camp chef. Moving down the hall, we find the private bathroom. The standout feature in here is the large shower enclosure with solid glass doors and a built-in skylight. That skylight brings in a beautiful amount of natural light and gives you that extra bit of headroom you want. You have a solid vanity, a sink, a toilet, and a high-volume power vent fan to keep the space fresh and comfortable. It's clean, bright, and perfectly positioned. Welcome to the Master Retreat. This is your private sanctuary at the back of the coach, and Thor did an incredible job maximizing comfort here. You have a massive king bed that provides the absolute pinnacle of sleeping luxury on the road. Having a king bed in a 35-foot coach is a major advantage for a great night's rest. You have your own dedicated 32-inch TV mounted perfectly across from the bed, along with a spacious wardrobe closet and a large bank of built-in drawers for all your travel attire and gear. Because this bedroom is completely separated from the front living lounge by a private door, it serves as a quiet, peaceful room to unwind at the end of an adventurous day. Large windows provide great cross-ventilation, and the modern wood finishes and accent lighting back here really highlight the premium nature of the Omni lineup. It is a beautifully optimized bedroom layout. As we walk back through the coach and step outside, it is easy to see why the 2022 Thor Omni SV34 is such a flagship choice for adventurers. To recap, you are looking at a heavy-duty Ford F550 4x4 Super C with only 12,000 miles, a 6.7-liter PowerStroke diesel engine, sleeping for 8 with a King Master, a premium exterior kitchen, an upgraded 8-kilowatt generator, and that beautiful Sahara Slate full-body paint. If you want to see this coach in person, give us a call at 864-2609-276 or email us at sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see the full spec sheet, and as always, happy camping!